I'm Riley from Denmark. About to do our first rehearsal on stage, and I'm super excited, a little bit nervous, but it'll be good.
Good, perfect.
So first rehearsal is done. I'm feeling super excited. I mean, it's amazing to be on stage finally and just sort of run through all the things that we've been practicing for so long. This is not going to be the outfit, by the way. This is just sort of like a practice, just like a quick thing I just threw on. My costume is still being made, so I'm excited to see that hopefully on the next rehearsal. But yeah, positive.
This song I wrote for you. This song I wrote for you, my future lover.
I'm really excited to be here. I'm about to head on stage and do my first rehearsal. I'm so excited. Let's see.
I just wanna make a road when boots and just find someone who likes me enough to kiss my face. I feel to love. I hope it all comes naturally. I hope our love is going something loud inside of me. To be
It was really emotional. I'm like shaking.
Hello everyone, it's Teodor Andrei, the Romanian representative at Eurovision 2023, and I'm extremely excited because we have 20 minutes left before going on stage for the first rehearsal ever. Well, not ever, but the first rehearsal on stage in Liverpool. And the Pikachu socks are coming on stage with us. So follow us and we'll have extremely fun time. I loved it, and I think some parts are more stable now. It reassured me a lot, yeah.
Hi, I'm Gustav for the entry for Belgium this year, and I brought my lovely friend with me. This is Monique Harcum from Polfinala, the wonderful Pussy and the wonderful Sun Queen. I'm so excited to have you on stage. Yeah?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. We're ready. It's our time.
Belgium,
Yes.
the stage is yours. Welcome. Come through. Come.
Yeah. It's a lot to think about, but we're getting there. We're getting there.
You know, before I've been seeing some videos and I'm kind of put my head into the space of what's it going to be like. I can't wait to just go up there and see it for myself. And then I jumped up on stage and it just feels magical. Everyone here is so professional and fantastic at what they do, and it just complements all us artists. So for me to go up there and finally see what the performance looks like all together is amazing, and so happy. Woo!